Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who and I am. Back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking with me today. So I'm actually on my way to go work out, but before I do that, I got a quick install video for y'all that I'm super excited about this product. I just got it, and I went ahead and installed it the day I got it, and that's going to be new LasFit custom interior mats, man. If you don't know who LasFit is, I found out who LasFit was when I got my fog lights. So I have two products from LasFit. This will be the third. First one I got was my fog lights. That was not sponsored. I just found them, I ordered them, and I love them. They're probably my favorite pair of lights on the vehicle. Paid by me, no sponsorship. Now, LasFit then reached out to me for a sponsorship, and so if you don't know, I also have now, they sponsored my LED tail lights, as you can see there, and I did a video on those. You want to go back and check it out. Now they also reached out to me and said, hey, we got some new custom design fit custom formats for your F150. We want to try them out. That brings me to today's video, which is going to be sponsored by LasFit in these custom mats, man. I'm super excited about them because y'all know I was looking to get some Husky liners real soon, and they reached out like, hey, I had no idea LasFit sold liners. I thought they were just lighting. So if you don't know, you know that LasFit does sell custom fit F150 mats. Let's go ahead and get to the install. Should be super easy, super quick. One thing I will tell you instantly, when I first got the box, it's huge, right? And I already opened it, so it didn't come like this, guy. But you see it comes with a handle. The box is super big. So with this handle, look at that. It makes it super easy to carry. That was an instant plus for me because otherwise you get a big old box you're trying to carry. I'm not sure if all mat comes like that, but I know theirs comes with this handle, and that is great. So let me tell you a little bit about these mats. So let me tell you about some of the key features of the LasFit mats. So they are made of 100% new Swedish brand TPE, which is the same Volvo interior trim used. So basically what that means is there won't be any smell when you get your mats. Also, safety was a big priority when they made these mats, so they are non-slip, so you get that good traction when you're on the throttle and braking, you know, switching your feet back and forth. If your feet are wet, you're going to be slipping on the mat. That doesn't happen with these mats. They also are a perfect custom fit, so they use 3D vehicle technology to make sure these fit, so you're going to get the maximum coverage from the product to protect your floor. So you're going to have that full coverage across your floor. In my F150, the back seat floor is huge as well as the front, so having that full coverage is always a plus. And last but not least, they are all seasoned and all with the mat, so they're going to be stain resistant, waterproof, anti-slip, as well as easy to clean and maintain. So let's get to the video. All right, guys, got my old mats out. If you don't remember, I got these from Amazon. These are Motor Trend mats. They were like 20, 25 bucks, man. They were super cheap. They last me a long time, but now we got actual custom fit mats for my F150. So let's go ahead and open these up and see. Guys, so go ahead and open it up. Hope y'all can hear me because the engine is running. I'm not taking the car, man.
Real coming in. I'm trying not to sweat. It's hot out here, y'all. Jeez. How are y'all doing today?
You know it's a sponsored video, right?
Can you see my face?
Oh, okay. So,
I'm new to the camera.
Come very well packaged for sure. Just one big piece, one piece. Cool. Oh, you need my knife? Thank you. Guys, I'm carrying a knife now because y'all told me to. I ain't gonna lie, I've been using it ever since. Ooh.
Acting like a kid on Christmas Day.
Huh?
See, acting like a kid on Christmas Day.
Okay.
It's huge.
I can't tell you instantly they are like odor free. Yeah, there's no odor. Like my last ones I had, they definitely had an odor to them. So this one is for the back. Right. So they are kind of hard. And you can see there, as y'all can see, it says LasFit. And the stamp on there. Yeah, so instantly I can tell you that it does have a lot of like grooves and everything in it. I'm sure that's for like spillage, more grip, you know, a lot of place for your feet to grip and grab when you're getting in and out. Also, if you spill some on there, it won't get onto your carpet because it has all these grooves in here. Very well made. It also comes with like 2 holes in the back. Some cars come with the floor mat hole where you just put it on there, but mine doesn't. I don't need it. But these are supposed to be custom fit. And as you explained, they use 3D technology to cut these mats. So let's go ahead and put it on the passenger side. Here, see, fit. Oh, look at that. Fits like a glove. Look at that. What you think? Oh yeah.
Way better than what you had.
That fits like a glove. See, Brielle used to hate my other mats because you didn't like the way they stood up. She hated the way they stood up. But Oh yeah, these fit. Look at that. Way better. A lot more flush look than the old ones I had. Like even come down here, see how it fits flush. All right, guys. So now we'll go do drop side. I would say they're pretty good. They're a lot more. These are a little more. The old ones, like look at it. Like see the rigidity. What is that rigidity, baby? Rigidity. How you say it? Rigidity?
I don't think that's a word.
Like when something's rigid.
Rigid, yeah.
But the rigidity or rigidity.
I don't know what that means.
But you see how this is like all like flappy plastic? Look at the difference. Like how that it doesn't really. You see?
Shake? No shake.
Yeah. So show you that
this one know how to twerk and never done.
So put this one down now. Oh yeah, I can tell they got this custom fitted. Like look, so this is where your other foot used to go. Like right here on this. As you can see in there, like that covers that. Has a hump there. Put that in there. Yeah. Yeah, so a lot better look, a lot cleaner. I actually stepped on it already on accident when I was trying to put them out the package, but oh yeah, they fit pretty dang good, man. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Now we'll have to see how easy they are to clean, so I'm gonna test these for a few weeks and see how easy they are to clean, but I can tell you the fit is perfect. The fit is very flush. I'm not sure if you want anything to come way out here. I like it stopping right here, actually. Me personally. What you think?
Really good.
Yeah, they look real good. It look a lot cleaner. Way cleaner.
Yeah, the other ones that they just try to, I think they curve too much.
Yeah, they are.
Those actually sit a little bit flatter.
Yeah, way flatter. You got water? Oh, you got water. Let's go ahead and test it right now, Rick. Water. Boom. Oh, it has like a, get closer, you see like a, what's that? Like a Rain-X type technology in it.
The water beads up.
Yeah, the water beads up, exactly. So let's go ahead. We want to take this out and just dump the water. Yeah, it does bead up. You see that? So the beads, like you see how it beads up? That's cool. So super easy to put back in too. So then you just want to dry that up. Boom, look at that back, just like that. Dry. Get in there and see. Yeah, man. So far, guys, I'm convinced, man. I like it so far. All right, guys, so for the last, we gotta do the back. However, my amp is screwed into the freaking carpet and I left my drill. So I'm gonna have to put the mat halfway in, go get my drill, unscrew the amp, and then put the mat underneath the amp. But I don't know, I don't wanna drill into the liner. So I don't know, but anyway, I'm gonna put it in now, just halfway install it so y'all can see, and we'll see what it fits like. I have to pass this over to you, Brielle.
Jeez.
Yeah, I know it's big. So you can clearly see, look at that custom fit. Oh yeah, it is custom fit. Look to the back right here. See how it goes straight? Yeah. So, all right, babe, I'm gonna lift this up really quick. And I just need you to put it underneath. All right, let it down.
Okay.
All right, guys, so as you can see, it does fit flush, even right here on the edges. Everything, it's a perfect fit. Unfortunately, I just forgot to get the freaking drill to undo that, so I'm gonna have to leave it like that for right now. But you can see just from here alone, it's a good finish. Perfect, actually. So let's see down. You can see. Yeah.
I think it completely covers the carpet.
Yeah, it does. Like Brielle just said, it covers the entire carpet from one side all the way to that. There's no carpet showing at all. But I'm curious how you all put your amp in your trucks without drilling through your mats. I'm gonna have to drill through the mat in order to put that amp back, to ground that amp back down. I think they look perfect. My truck looks so much better now with these mats. Now I know it's LasFit. A lot of people are like, wait, LasFit, you know, it's not Husky liner, but you know, I personally love it. It looks good. Look at that. Like, super clean, flush. I'm amazed how flush they are. Let me tell you another thing too, guys. I don't sponsor a lot of stuff on my channel that I don't like. And if you ask LasFit, they will tell you, they actually reached out to me on some other stuff they had to offer. I personally did not want it for my truck. And they said, okay, fine. They understood. They didn't try to push me to buy it or push me to sponsor it. They said, no problem, we won't send it to you. So I don't sponsor everything that people send me. There are some products people have sent me and I do not sponsor it, because if I don't want to use it, I'm not going to push it out to y'all, and I'm not using it personally. So I only put stuff on my truck. Y'all can see my eyes. I only put stuff on my truck that I believe is good product, and if it's good product, I will share it with you all. And I even told LasFit that they're like, I'm fine with reviewing and putting in my truck. I said, but I need to be honest with my viewers, because I'm not the type that'll sell people a lie just to get a free product. That's not what I'm about. I'm not gonna do that. So, and they say, yeah, please feel free to be as honest as possible, because that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to make sure the mats get the best possible mats to customers as possible. So I'm being honest with y'all so far. The fit and everything is awesome. Love it. Durability we'll yet to see, but they're definitely better than these, for sure. Definitely better than the Motor Trend. We go ahead and test these out for a few weeks, and then we'll come back. Okay guys, so it's been about 2-3 weeks now since I got the LasFit mat there installed into the F150. I still have not been able to get this one over here to lay flat yet, because I have not went back to Kevin to get my system moved. So as you know, this is screwed down. I did unscrew it, but the wires are too short under the carpet, so I gotta get new, like, longer wire to move this. Otherwise, right now I can't. There's just not enough room, and my system will not be plugged up. So, but trust me, it fits. If y'all saw on the other side, the fitment is perfect. So now, it's been a few weeks out of them, and you can tell here that I have been using these. That is actually dirt there, and it's not light. And as you can see, I mean, the biggest thing about these mats is, one, they don't smell, right? And two, they are perfect fit. Like, they fit perfectly. They did a really good job of customizing these mats, because these are custom to your vehicle. And number three, they clean easy. And what I mean by that, I will show y'all. This is just a towel, no water, right? And literally, whatever you want to say, if I just go in right here with this towel and just wipe, look at that. Look, like, clean, really easy. No cap, no lie, guys. Look at that. That's clean now. They clean super easy. And this, again, is just with a microfiber cloth for once. Two, no water. And it cleans easy. Look at that. Bam. Mat is clean. Now, of course, it's not going to be super clean. Again, I'm using no water. And yeah, look at that. You guys can't tell the difference, but I can. The mat is now clean, man. Look at it, trust me. So, and that's without water, like I said. Other thing I noticed, they're not really scuffing up. You know, like with shoes, you get those white marks, like my last one had. They don't really scuff like that. Now, of course, they go have prints from your feet. You got dirt on the ground, but they don't scuff. And they don't scuff. They look good, and they fit. I think that's the most important thing with mats. They fit. And the last thing, when we poured the water on there, you see they had like that micro bead technology on here, which I did discuss as well. So, I mean, what else can I say about it? I mean, it's a good mat, man. I like them. I'm glad I got them. Happy with them so far. So, I mean, truck mats, something like that, mats, you really get a good feel, like after like months and months of use. But there's no need for me to wait 2 or 3 or 4 months just to review some mats for you guys, man. I honestly believe these mats are good quality. I don't think there's an issue with them. They're definitely a lot better than the ones I had. Y'all saw earlier in the video how flimsy those other ones were and how rigid these were, man. Like, yeah, look at that, perfect fit, man. So anyway, highly recommend these mats. There'll be a link down in the description below. If you're interested in these mats, definitely go check them out. LasFit, I think they are about not sure, I think about 120, 110, 120, right around the same price, probably like some Husky liners. So as far as price, they're competitively matched. So I have nothing bad to say. I think they look great. LasFit mats, man, definitely check them out. Link below. That's all I got. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.
Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but till I just look around. Are you with me?